Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' App demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a diorama card using the Inspiring Imperfections bundle. That includes the stamp set and the dies, and the embossing joined together, and the DSP, especially this one that we can use the dies to cut out the vases. So let's get started. You're going to need a card front, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I embossed it already. The diorama part is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5/8, 4 7/8, 6 1/8, 10 3/8. I already die cut the vase and the sentiment, and I also cut out some of the gold pieces. I put some adhesive sheet on the back of them and die cut them, so all I have to do is remove the backing to it like a sticker and a piece of basic white that I thought would fit nice behind the front. So let me get the measurements out of the way. So I already embossed this. Isn't that pretty? So let's go ahead and fold these score lines. And you're just going in one direction the whole time. All mountain folds. Because you're basically building that square onto the card. So I do have to go and cut out the circle. I'll be right back. And here we go. And so this is I'm gonna treat this as the front. So basically, glue on the flap next to the blank part, goes right up against here, lining it up. And then all you have to do is fold against that line, more adhesive here. Go ahead and close. And that's it. That's your diorama. Let's go ahead and adhere the vase. Center. The sentiment. I'll put some dimensionals on here to raise it up. I love the saying, there is beauty in your history. Some glue around the 4x4 piece. I think I'm running low again. I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal instead. Oops. That goes here. Or if you want to write some more. And then let's go ahead and put the gold on and see if I did the adhesive sheets okay. Here it is. Peel it back. I think I had pieces of it, so it may come in different. There we go. There we go. They won't perfectly match the lines that are on the embossing folder, but I think it'll still get a good accent to it. This is harder to get. I may need to get my take your pick tool out. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. I just needed to start it out. I used lots of pieces of it. It was toward the ends of the adhesive sheets, so there we go. Let's do one there. Let's do one more. Maybe if I fold it all, kind of like a sticker. There we go. Aha! This one, what do you think? On this side. Maybe I should move this one. I haven't pressed it down too much. There we go. I think I rubbed a little gold off of that one, so I'll snip that off a little. There we go. And there is the diorama. Here's the one I showed you earlier. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like my video tutorials, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and you'll see more. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day.